You ain't got to do nothing but tell him, oh, hold me, Jesus.
Hold me, Jesus.
See, if the Lord don't hold me, I'm stirred up right now. If the Lord don't hold me, y'all know I ain't got nobody to hold me.
Hold me, Jesus.
Harvey, oh Lord, walk with me. Guide my feet, Lord. Walk with me. Oh, Lord, walk with me. Guide my feet, Lord. Walk with me. And I fell alone. Narrow way. Don't it get rough sometimes, y'all? Anybody know what I'm talking about? Anybody here know what I'm talking about? I don't know about y'all, but I need you. Hold my hand, Lord, day by day. Oh, oh, my Lord, I don't know about you, but oh, sometimes I feel like giving up. Anybody here ever feel like that? I feel like giving up, going sitting out, staying at home. But I can't do that, y'all, 'cause I made God a promise. If he'd hold to my hand as I walk this narrow way, I don't know what I'd do without the Lord. Preacher, sometimes when I can't sleep, this thing getting good to me. I don't want to bother nobody. I go off by myself and I look up toward heaven. I say, hold me.
Hold me.
Anybody here need the Lord to hold you? Do you ever need him? Do you ever need him in your home, on your job, in your church sometime? I don't know about y'all. I don't know about y'all. But I can't make it. I can't make it. I can't make it. I can't make it. Oh, I can't make it. I can't make it. Y'all know what? Young folks, we're living in a time where you got to have Jesus. You got to have Jesus. A diploma won't do it no more. You got to have Jesus. Let me tell you something. Take it from me. I know what I'm talking about. Be careful how you treat mom and daddy, because you gonna miss mama and daddy when they gone. I'm 41 years old. I miss my daddy, y'all. I miss my daddy. Yeah. I ain't got nobody. I ain't got nobody.